Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So today is federal funds interest rate news for the US. Definitely going to be a very volatile day, especially around the news. I am going to be live streaming for this news event, so definitely make sure you hit that notification bell, so that way you will know when my live stream happens at the interest rate news today. Now, anyways, on the monthly, I still think this is very likely to go up. I still think it is going to go up and make this big wave Y. I don't think it's quite ready to go up yet, but I still think it's going to make this WXY pattern, which will most likely take out these highs. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think we're already in that wave Y right now. I think this is an A. I think this is a WXY, a B. I think this is a 1. I still think this is a wave 2. I just don't think the wave 2 is quite over. I think it's probably going to end up looking something like that before it goes up and makes that big wave 3 we've been waiting for, the wave 4, and that big wave 5. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, now in hindsight, it definitely seems pretty clear that this is a downtrend. Not the best looking downtrend, but it probably is a wave A. This is definitely 3 waves up, in my opinion, probably a wave B. My original thoughts were that this was going to turn up and go up, and we were already in a wave 3. But looking across the board, especially at the US dollar index, I think at this point it probably is going to go down, probably even all the way down to the 78.6 to make a wave C before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. I still think this is a 1. I still think it's an ABC of 2. I still think eventually, maybe in a few weeks, this will go up for a big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I still think this is the ABC, probably a wave B. But if things could change at this news event, and if this does go up, and if it does break structure and hold above structure, which is very key, then I would definitely start looking for longs in an uptrend at that point. But looking at the higher time frames and looking at all the correlated dollar pairs, I think this is more likely just going to keep on making lower lows, lower highs, and I definitely would be looking for sorts in a downtrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. I was thinking that it would just keep on going down, but looking across the board, I think there's a chance this could make a higher low, and I think it might actually go up either prior to the news or at the news. It will do one of those famous spike reversals, and this will end up being an A, a B, and a C correction. We definitely want to reevaluate, right before the news, because we do have about 6 hours, which is about 6 1 hour candles, until the news actually does come out. So things could definitely change between now and then, which is why I'm doing that YouTube live stream. But as of right now, I am definitely looking for sorts in a downtrend, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to take a look at my new website linked down here in the corner. So as always, thanks and happy trading.